stolen
no, he broke
Hellcat
it.
in under a
He
minute.
trying to get in. He probably. See, he had that cop blocking it.
Damn.
They take it.
That's
How the
crazy.
did not notice that? He looks familiar.
I see, he just bust the whole window. He cut his hand, didn't
Mm-hmm.
he? Yeah, he pulled the whole window out.
You don't
Oh,
see
so
the
they
blood?
must know how to pop the window.
Yeah, you see the blood on his car? On his hand?
Mm-hmm.
And look at these little they're slick with
He
their
doing-
flashes on now.
See what he doing? Oh, he fired the car up and turned the wheel straight.
He works for a car. He definitely does towing. He tows cars.
Yeah, he put it in neutral.
This mother.
They pushed it.